Hi, my name is Anaí. My proposal to Mexico Global is to promote the international trade between Mexico and Europe, European investment with Mexican companies, to make the most of the trade agreement between Mexico and Europe that was signed in 2000. Also, another proposal is to promote the cooperation between Mexican representations with European embassies in subjects like drug traffic, educational programs between Mexico and Europe with graduate students, and cultural cooperation with examples like Mexico United Kingdom with their program Año Dual 2015. Finally, je pense que je suis une personne responsable et disciplinée pour cette activité. Merci beaucoup.